Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Confirm your device actually has a touch digitizer because software won't create hardware. Once confirmed, open Settings and go to System About to verify. Next, launch Device Manager and expand Human Interface Devices to see HID-compliant touchscreen. If missing, install drivers from the manufacturer. Make sure Windows Update runs so the OS has compatible patches. Once done, enable touch-related options in Settings or Accessibility to prepare the system for immediate testing. Now you install and calibrate. Download the exact HID or touchscreen driver from the OEM site, or let Windows Update find a compatible driver if you prefer. Run the installer, follow prompts, and reboot to ensure the driver loads into the kernel. After reboot, open Device Manager to confirm the touch device is enabled and shows no errors. Then calibrate input via Control Panel Tablet PC settings. This aligns touch coordinates to the display, which fixes offset and improves accuracy once calibration completes. Finish by testing gestures, taps, swipes, and multi-touch with a touch test app or built-in settings tests so you can verify pressure and coordinates behave correctly. If things are off, roll back the driver in Device Manager or uninstall the device and scan for hardware changes to reinstall the HID entry. Make sure Windows updates and firmware are current. One key troubleshooting tip: if software fixes fail, run the manufacturer's hardware diagnostics. An intermittent digitizer often indicates a physical fault rather than a driver issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.